All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the radio here. All right, so you can use this right here to navigate. Watch. It navigates, up and down and across. You know what I mean? But if you want to go to XM, you click there, and then you can go to Browse. And then it gives you this little slider right here, right? And you can go find whatever kind of music you like. Let's say you want to do a Beatles channel, you could do that. And then you could press this and hold it, and that's going to give you your Beatles channel there, right? So let's browse again. And I kind of like 70s music. So I'm going to go to 70s. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to put it on here and hold it. And bam, now I got 70s on there. Now let's browse again. Let's see, what else do you want to hear? You want to hear 80s? Let's put that one on there. Bam, right? Let's go to Browse again. Let's go down. 90s. Let's pull it. Oh, I think I went all the way. Oh wait, no, I didn't. Pop rock, yacht rock, Beatles, The Bridge. I heard that one's a good one. Let's do that one. And then so now we've got to go over one and go like this. And now we got The Bridge. Let's go again. Let's go down. We got The Bridge. We got the Beatles. Come on. It doesn't want to. Oh, look at this. Margaritaville. Classic vinyl. Let's do that one. And let's put that one there. All right, so you see how that kind of works. Now, if I go over here, I can switch from the different ones. Watch. It's going to go to Bridge, and then I'm going to work my way all the way through. Let's go like this. All right, so here we are, right? So now when I click this, it moves over, right? Now it's on FM. But watch, it'll automatically switch to XM, watch. So I'm going to go ahead and press it. See how it's moving over? Bam, there we go, moves right to XM. So that's how you can preset it. And then when you're driving, you can just get to your favorite channel, right? You can get to your 70s, you can get to your 80s, you can get to your, singer-songwriters, whatever. Then you can come back. And that's how that works, man. Bam, done. Now, you also have, let's go here again. On XM, you also have Browse. Let's see. I think they might, oh, yeah, here you have categories. All right, so now you can do it by categories, right? If you want to get, football and sports and stuff, you can do that too. You want religion, you can do that. I don't want that. You can go get some Canadian stuff. And then they have tune mix, and I don't want that. Let's just go back to all. And then you can go to settings, but we're already in it. And then to get out, you just click here. And that brings us right back to this page. Now, if you want to see weather and traffic, you just go there. Bam. And now, here's the thing I don't like about this. Look, it doesn't have a Florida city. I mean, that doesn't help me, right? Let's get out of there. All right, so anyway, that's kind of how you do it. Oh, wait a minute. And to turn it up, you go here. No sound because of copyright. All right, so if I go like this, it goes up, and then it goes down. Now, if you want to do it over here, you can do volume up and down too. Watch. All right, because of copyright, I can't let you hear any music off of this radio. Otherwise, YouTube would give me a copyright strike against my channel, so you're not going to get a chance to hear Elvis Presley. Sorry. And that's how that works. All right, and so that's pretty much it, man. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.